Howdy folks, this is Kyle BlackCatTips Brooks, and today we're going to do an unboxing. That's where you take it out of the box and show everybody what's in it. We're going to do one of those for my Casa Leo friends. They've got the Loo Too smart cat box. Real smart. It's a smart litter box. It cleans itself. It puts all the cat waste products into a little bag for you, and all you gotta do is open the drawer and take out the bag and give it to the trash man or lady. I don't want to be upsetting nobody. Anybody could take the trash away. Just please, thank you, take it. Won't you take it? So let's open the cat box and see what's in there. We want to turn it over. So we want to turn it over like this. Turn it over. All the way over. Carefully take a knife. Cut the bottom open. Very carefully. We don't want any mishaps. Sometimes cats bite you and scratch you enough, you don't want another mishap. Oh! You can tell a cat no, you can't tell a knife no. So it says to turn it back over. This is like one of those cooking shows. But we don't get to taste anything. Oh, that tastes delicious. Oh. I'm going to open this up. Open this up. Now turn it back over. Finally, turn it over. Pick this up. Now I believe we could lift the lid up. Oh, now you're getting somewhere. Good enough. Pick up all the debris. Some folks call it trash. Now we've got us an igloo. Now we have a smart litter box just waiting to come into the world. Take this off. It's like a concrete mixer. And I want to pick it up. Here it is. So you got the top shell. You sure you know what you're doing? So you want to push this button when you plug it in the wall. That'll start the whole thing. They gave me some waste drawer liner bags. That's the bags you put in the bottom to collect the waste. Here's some replacement carbon filters to take care of the odor. And then they sent me several little cat toys. Here's one of them. I also got a big mat that goes in front and collects the extra cat litter off the cat paws. And if you get hungry, you can put syrup on it and eat it, 'cause I think it's a waffle. Now inside, it's made of plastic, and then the bottom is a flexible rubber sheet that holds the litter. And as the thing rotates, it sifts through all the litter and the waste, and then resets itself, so all you have is nice clean litter that sits down there in the bottom on the flexible area. There, that sounded fancy. Now push that button and pull out the tray. Down in there is where your bags go. You lift that clear lid and put the bag in there. Then you just press it back and push the button. Now, down in here is underneath the big drum where the cat litter sits. Down here it has the gear that powers it, and it has these coaster wheels, and then it's got a little felt pad here that helps it be more efficient when it turns. And then the waste goes through that hole in the middle into the bag. How about that?
Yes, sir.
I put it all back together here. You got to make sure the drum is seated in the right place so it grabs that gear. Well, that about does it. We opened the box and saw what was inside. You got a big old igloo that's a smart cat box, and they just go on in the hole and do their business. All they need is a little phone in there. Call and talk to somebody. Maybe they like a cat magazine to read in the box. Turn to page 23. It's whisper quiet. It has UV sterilization. That's a big bunch of words for a cat box. It must be good. Well, we took a look at it, so let me set it up and use it now. After about a month of using it, well, I'm not going to use it, my cat's going to use it. But after about a month of watching my cat use it, I'm going to do a review video. I'm going to review it and see how it worked for me. And then I'll tell you.
Yes, sir.
Or maybe I'll just try to make a video and completely fall to pieces. That might get a lot of views too. All right. Well, I hope you have a good day, and I hope your cats have a good day. And don't make your cat upset. Mine tends to bite my toes. It thinks my toes are not connected to my body. They're just toes running around that need to be attacked. So watch out. Wear shoes around your cat, and be careful, folks. Be careful. I'm gonna see you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.